Myself Sunil R Nair, and here basically we are discussing about the currency topic, how basically it's going to impact to earthquakes 100%. So here basically we are talking about one topic, that is uh, earthquakes, and in this basically we are discussing currencies, and that currencies basically say that we have created 3 lakh potato planet, sorry 3 lakh planets, 3 lakh planets on the base of potato and planets energy basically. Only not potato and planet energy, it has merged with the 900 crore population basically, that are basically of the world population. They have generated the potato and tomato energy basically. So the if somebody says that basically 3 lakh potato planet basically, sorry, the 3 lakh planet basically created from how basically, then he told that basically the main basically here was potato energy, then basically is the 900 population basically, then basically the infrastructure of the each and every city basically where the population basically are staying, then the power company, nuclear power company, energy company, each and every companies basically are there basically, and the each and every companies basically where they are doing the work and they are earning the money. Like this basically the buildings are there basically, the nature basically are there. When the earth planet basically was created, that time basically nature was there basically, then basically the nature is there, then the water, each and every human needs basically are merging with the potato and tomato human needs basically. Then basically the god energy is there, god, each and every religions basically have their god basically, that energy is there. Then the sand energy is there, then the trees energies are there. Then like this basically each and every energy basically he told. On the base of this all energy basically, the potato and tomato, sorry, on the base of tomato and potato energy, this all basically plant basically was created. Tomato potato energy with the help of other energy basically, you can say like this basically, because only tomato potato basically very less people eat. So like this basically you can say tomato and potatoes energy and supporting energy of this all group basically. Supporting means who basically consumes tomato and potato basically, that is basically you can say the attraction basically, which tomato and potato basically have it. So just see basically how dangerous topic is basically. And this is basically currency topic ongoing. And in currency topic basically we are discussing earthquake topic. Earthquake means basically buildings basically are moving left side, right side. That basically are earthquakes basically. In simple language basically if you say, then basically it is earthquake equal to basically the buildings are moving left side, right side. That means the city is basically not stable basically. That's why basically the earthquake basically is happening. So this is about the potato and tomato energy basically. Little bit about basically. We are going to discuss lots of things basically of this. Here basically we are discussing that how much basically the contribution software industry basically have. How much basically the software industry basically have the total information basically of the tomato and potato basically. One person told that basically tomato information basically up to what level the information they might be having. They basically told that we will start with normal process basically. One shopkeeper basically selling the tomato, he basically have the data like tomato basically 1 kilo tomato basically is going to have this many price, right? So that price basically are connected up to universe level. Yes, basically 100%, yeah. Because they basically decides what is the price of the tomato, and the price is decided on the base of certain data basically. You can say the certain algorithm basically. Then basically he told that basically tomato basically is consumed by the customers basically, then basically the bill gets prints of the tomato. Like this, the process basically keeps on moving. Then basically the medical department have the data of tomato basically, that if you eat this much tomato, then basically it's okay. Otherwise, basically you are going to consume to other some disease basically. Then he told them basically okay. Then the medical department basically comes into the picture. The healthcare department basically comes into the picture. Then the power company basically gets the data. They basically have the tomato data of the 900 crore people basically. Then with the 900 crore people basically. And then basically, and they basically have the individual data also basically, where the tomato stocks are there, potato stocks basically are kept. Like this basically each and everything basically are there, right? Then he told them basically nuclear companies basically having the data. Then he told them yes basically. These all are basically the normal process, right? Which are basically in front of the world basically. Now basically things basically potato basically generates this all user stories after having potato basically. For that basically the Bollywood groups have created the incidents basically, that whenever you are going to eat potato, this all are the things only basically going to happen. That basically was displayed by the Bollywood groups, which are basically staying in the Mumbai still. They basically have displayed basically like this basically. Then he told that basically uh, each and every incident basically was written by the doctors group basically, who actually says that basically we have created potato in this manner basically. So the doctor basically groups has written that potato is going to generate this all energy basically. So here the doctors group basically also came. Then basically the each and every group of the doctor basically will come into the picture. Like psychiatric basically will come into the picture. Each and every body parts doctor will come into the picture. Each and every body parts doctor. Then basically the nuclear power company energy doctor. So each and every level of doctor basically is going to come in this picture, because they have to test each and everything, no, basically. You can directly basically place the potato in the market basically. You can't because you have to think up to the planet level basically. The 3 lakh planet which is already generated. And universe basically group basically says that basically the Earth planet basically, we trust on Earth planet basically. We trust on Earth planet doctors also basically. We trust on basically nuclear power company, where the tomato and the potato basically first time basically it was generated as energy basically. We trust on this group basically. We trust basically, yeah. That's why 3 lakh planet basically was approved, na, basically. Otherwise basically how basically we will approve basically then? And it has approved by the universe also basically. We have trusted, yeah, basically our planet. We have trusted the Bollywood group. We have trusted the currency industry. We have trusted the government basically, which are basically sitting in the parliament house. We have trusted this group, yeah, basically. We have trusted the big software companies basically, 100 software main software companies. Like this only basically the tomato basically is created. After that tomato basically is created, that 3 lakh planet basically is already created. We have trusted this all group basically. And for the stories basically we have trusted Twitter basically is there, Facebook is there, and then many software companies basically are there who keeps the user stories of each and every people. Few people says that basically we don't we don't basically go here and there basically. We keeps we have basically our data basically. Data means from energy basically we decodes the text data, and from that text data basically we say that basically this was the user stories of that particular person. He person went there basically, he basically told, he basically has done this all this activity. That basically we have the data basically, we have decoded it. Like these companies basically are also there. Like this basically company is also basically there. So in next video basically we are going to discuss little bit more about this only basically, just topic basically which are basically we have discussed, that is currencies, tomato data, potato data, which has converted to 3 lakh planets, and which everything is already done.